So myself, Pankaj Verma, I am Vice President and Action TESA. So we are the number one good manufacturing company. Actually, last year I attended Harvard AI course, and after going through that, I found that the IIM Lucknow course now it's over. So it's a beautiful one, the more practical compared to any other course I have attended on AI. And AI is the future of any country nowadays. So that is why I choose IIM Lucknow. The course is very practical in sense I can utilize whatever I have learned in the business where I am working as of now. The practicality part was very good. That is what I can say for any other guy who want to join IIM Lucknow course. Faculty, program directors, all were very cooperative. They explain as if we are kids. So though I have 30 years of experience, but I can say the way they teach the AI to any kid. So that is the attitude or the philosophy they followed, and that is why today we successfully completed our course. The best part is now after 30 years of experience I can utilize, and I can also compete with the young guys in the AI field, and that is given me a good confidence. Yes, I am there, and I can improve my company's profit by using AI, improve operations, and bring excellence in the working. I will definitely recommend especially to the young guys, IIM Lucknow course because it's more practical and it will utilize the today's right from the available platform whatever we have in the world. So they can use it and they can bring. Like for me, it's difficult at this age, but yes, for the young guys, it will give a boost to their career.